Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of portable SSDs with a budget-friendly performer, the Silicon Power PX10. Let's see if this little drive packs a big punch. First off, let's talk about design and build quality. The PX10 sports a sleek aluminum shell, giving it a premium feel while also keeping it lightweight and portable. Its compact size makes it easy to slip into your pocket or bag, perfect for on-the-go storage needs. Setting up the PX10 is a breeze. It comes with a braided USB-C cable that not only looks stylish but also provides fast data transfer speeds. Plus, it's rated for up to 60 W of charging, adding extra versatility to its usage. Now, let's talk performance. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, the PX10 delivers impressive speeds. In our tests, it consistently maintained fast sustained performance, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, from transferring large files to running demanding applications. Whether you're a professional user or a casual consumer, the PX10 has something to offer. It may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end drives, but its reliability and affordability make it a solid choice for anyone on a tight budget. However, it's worth noting that the PX10 lacks hardware-based encryption, and its aluminum shell can get warm during prolonged use. But these are minor drawbacks considering the overall value it provides. In conclusion, the Silicon Power PX10 portable SSD is a budget-friendly performer that punches above its weight. With its combination of speed, affordability, and portability, it's worth considering for your storage needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy storing!